Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to save Claude AI chat as a PDF. And if you want to do this, first of all, open right here your Claude AI. And then after that, we go right here to Google. And right here at Google, we search for Claude AI Exporter. I don't know why it's saying Claude, but I mean, of course, Claude. Then right now we click right here on the Chrome Web Store, and then you will find right here this AI chat exporter, and this one is great. But before using this software, please check the reviews or check other stuff right here if you want to use it. Because right now we click here on Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Right now we want to bookmark this right there, and then we go back. And then right now we refresh right here or Claude AI. Then right here we select the arrow on this purple box right here. And then we select right here questions, answers, or all what you want to do. We do right now all because we want everything. And then we click right here on the arrow again. And then we select to PDF. Then you will get this option right here. So you can select what you want to use, what you want to change, whatever you want, also date and time right here. And then after that, we click right here on generate. Then right now he's generating the chat. And yeah, to be honest, my chat is not that big. So right now it's just how can I solve this and this. But right now, if we go to downloads and we go right here to this PDF, you see right here the chat with Claude AI that we had. So this is how you can download it right here in a PDF. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.